etiefo enkra ya saka kira etiefo mate diaba enkra ya saka kira eye owura Matenamidu wa resigning o say krono na anu odin rodo on to me stand it. Why are you running? Jale, you say Matenamidu resign. Matenamidu resign. He said the job he no go fit do. You get? Matenamidu say the job he no go fit do. Say no go fit do the job. He no go fit do MPP for him. Mo de mo gu mani mu ase o. Ye ka party aban ba power na nkofo static na we nkoye mo hwa manu nya. The corruption has been planned for 30 years. You Matenamidu, can you fight corruption that has been planned for 30 years? Corruption and nkofo chance for 30 years. Omo plan so be we Ghana sika. Omo plan 30 years no the plan is so be we Ghana sika. Obi oba aban mu na the sika dan account mu 45,000. Na se oba aban mu na the sika dan account special prosecutor did the bank statement to amount na 15 million cedis nkwa dollar wo me 4 million. In law there is nothing like unexplained wealth. Like what? Nipo na kutu esika to account mu no obi ani mo. Say wo ko banker wo kutu esika won fa wo ID nkam. So it is very easy to find out who paid the money into the guy's account. They know. And the issue is that we started saying this in the primary class. And then Matenamidu now, but then the special prosecutor and were resigning. He can't stand it. Now, you see, Musu money or then Mutuni Paso. You try Bible more. What's now the general said, Obi by Juma within 2.5 years. Na 15 million Ghana dan account. Workers can boom 45 million. As a public servant, Oba Baemuno within 2.5 years, no 45 million dan account. What did Facebook team say for more for Nana?
Uzunya bindi.
Nya ya cast asam na MPP ni buafu. Papa no digis kan o ma ubi. Odi papa no o ma ubi. Odi ase, wo dina Facebook team say for more for Nana. For more for Nana, and Obi 45 dan account, 45 million, 450 billion, no Ghana said an account.
Boka calculator kana beji.
We calculator but this use computer to make boss scam.
Ya bubo e kan bo media me boss esi abeyi.
Uti oze ye dey cry fire me bet. To my me there's another bet me the 45 billion ni be to my account ma. Na fi ya start ya kasa. Heh? Obi anya kohwini o papa na ye kromfo dia. Ye ntia so na me kan ye. Unye kohwini o papa na nya kromfo.
Neza ko kromfo anka ni nya.
En papa ya kromfo anka ne.
Kamanya sika.
Enka wanya bi nko no so bia bi ma ho.
Nyese bia.
And the issue ni say ochina wutie mu for more for na obi wi 45 billion dan account mu no. Ochina wo mabeka ne mabeka kire wo ma say omo papa mmobra. Enye say wan mmobra o. Nye no we nya bia nwia.
Ya ne bibiri wo nim say bra na yedimi mu. Sika na yenya ya.
We nya bia nwia. It say wan mmobra.
Asa wuni wunya ansam.
Na me nsori ahimaachi nsori mfiri medam say me kodi politician echi. Na we obi account mu na your friend is saying 15 40 400 na 450 billion na account
go kwan so sa
akwa na otehwe na na do ka ho na owuye no I see na yerete man 7 abi you know I see in why be man 7 who they care about that he die 450 billion do be account I see we
na no wo pe dan anye direct so ye kura me hu say wo suma ye pe kaka
wa wu me say I see we ne yere ne ma wo ho obi 450 billion aka do team of Facebook say for more fanana me ne kwa me class me ni ati gugu omo ye japadi no mo frɛ me omo ye japadi no mo frɛ me na me be gyan say me be ten say mo ye nyina ba say be bu man ti why wadin say wo me bu no be wi aye dia and the brand entrance ne enkan me be di wachi na wo ye yi na da achi me manka say wo manka ncha me masa me papa mmobra mo mama dwen ye aduma wo mo mama dwen ye aduma sa de na mo ye no obi baba mu 2.5 years or 450 billion and na there ya wade no hu nyina say Matenamidu no ye nja no ma ne investigation no ya ma no kwan ma ne ye because for no ya planning the 30 years Kon ya planning the 30 years that all. Akufo-Addo there. Look, me and Nana when I meet him one-on-one, I'll tell you are a disappointment. Me, I'm disappointed in you. Because I do in Fatano. Papa no, together then Akufo-Addo or person no deal. I didn't say Papa no, that's number. Ghana high yet, Obi we are Akoko. Obi we are banching, Obi we are bordia, Otumiko prison 10 years. Obi we are 10 Ghana no ko prison 10 years. Akufo-Addo abanya abayi. Ebe corruption no. Obi sika we nyina dan account mo nam feel free. Sa mo be kaya. Long time ago nam start some PPA. And na snake sika bi PPA. Omo akoto anwa bi. I mean I know all of these things.
And how
before be nyanya so ko mu nyansa ko mo hwe information ko be bisa me. 2 years ago na make so mo akoto anwa Cocoa board, this akoto omontanse anwa no na minimade we nyina de daada wo and then bibi Ghana ha mente na minim de daada papa we o yes ade nyina na minim de daada ni fie we Port Hills ho this is me I know long time and Akufo-Addo is aware of everything that is going on. What's your ne agofa e France e Japan ye say e Japan deal ye be fa Ghana mineral reserve mineral na yeko enye Ashanti region western region ye tunu ye do tun vo kan e Japan no ye go bizarre western no for ye de omo kan Ghana resource mineral resources nyina bi o western region so omo no omo kwan ye papa Martin Amidu now within the bar says special prosecutor say onumbe prosecutor when we say the issue is that the criminals are the people who have appointed him.
So
how can he prosecute anybody? How can he prosecute anybody? Now you're the pen charm robber. You're about we as what is will be the pen at charm robber that. You will be as what is will be the pen at charm robber that.
It won't be that.
It's highly impossible. This government is a disappointment, is a disgrace. Because Akufo-Addo, the incorruptible, hey, me Akufo-Addo, or you'll be crank or something. Because me hear fan of Honsa, they be about and crop for be on Facebook be any. Because me maintain me, Yankopon say, hey, o show about to know condon or hell. But David Cohe will be too. Echo fan on any me, a kunu Yankopon say the best friend. To my Akufo-Addo say my best friend. Say, yeah, I know me hear from oh, Nana dear, Nana Crawford, or come, Nana come, who be a also. And it is a disappoint only and don't chance will be a person. Will be a mass and a con.
It be obedient
on tea. Obedition on tea. On tea. Akufo-Addo Mama Chua the collaboration by Dr. Nyatro let the command and now say, give me the power to change this place. Because Dr. Nyatro wanted that power to act on his own. Send a bear and another phone to me, my home, so give me the power to change this whole thing for you. But will he give him the power? Only what is going on? Me na me de let him go to president. I will make cancer man. Ghana for no more. Me na me de command another one office with Hameti ha. I was my cancer make. Me na me de let him go to Nanado. Will he give him the power? No, because Nanado knows everything that is going on. So why would we say you are not part? Opinion alternative e hwe ba enkware na kan ya kana kan rego a won kan
na se abo bi be wu fi achi a efi ewura no din panu da
na obi odi be dey apem
because ye kan
corruption no ya planning no for 30 years say ye be wi amo ya fi the Ghana force ye hu se bombo ye bad no ya be wi ayen ye mamu wi ayen afi the so dey mo so yen hwe na ya so ahwe na da we try your luck enye obayi ba lu ketua try your luck opa koto baalu le fa ko fie na se wo so fu yi 31
kesi
e nya da
31
be yi kete try your luck nya de papa nso me hwe kaka na me a me ka asema kire me se we kosi se mo fa no kosi ai
wa wo ka no kure no
also over protect the public person me and citizen me and spectator yen citizen yen wow to so mo fa no kosi ai Mungu na anyone say mungu charge no causing spreading falsehood, causing fear and panic, and it's spreading why and me dey do omo ma yen nyina na maka on Facebook go it me no mun tumi dia god yes na some go church omo page bi so omo hwe omo find way omo deal with me physically personally what happen omo crop for the screenshot no send me the MPP for no ade tie ya me ya na ma dey ni say penny phone be brave myself omo ko ka kire Sir John Yom go bisa woman organizer. Go bisa woman keje fo go bisa no. Oko Sir John say Sir John me nkasa Sir John ka kire ne say me na me see plus en ya de no ye no. Obi on Facebook. Obi on Facebook your friend no. And when one be pay mask because omo say krono no dose dodo.
Director, and if I'm back na power chow.
Krono no dose wa kronfo. Matena me do no wadan mu agya no. What to me no mu nya adwuma o. How can you fight?
They are name be say MPP dey yin na ye o. Na so sa ade wo te care message driver na driver care sa. Ka kire no wan ku.
Obi be kan say na class na Ufi MPP say media MPP ko NDC wo na chese wan kasa na wo ye criminal. Ufi MPP akwa NDC always the same thing ho. Ufi NDC aba MPP the same thing. Baby awo wo no. E da say wo be gya wo mienu nyina na wa fa wo hagbe because wo mienu nyina wo nsakra. Ana say wo betan be wona na wa criticize you. But we no dey wo to me ni wo ntena criticize you wo ntina match na me do okọ no.
Ntina wo so director ko.
Aba quick. Media ntimi ni omo ye ntimi ni omo ndi agro. Omo ye akronfo e na krono no enya krono a ya plan ne se ye ba power ne use se sika bi o nti ye nkodi bi o ade na omo ye no ya ade a ya plan no for years. One kind special prosecutor report on the Japan. Okay. Go and read it. It's the woman of the special prosecutor by. Go and read the report. It is a well calculated in 24 organ omo kan okuro Ghana penifo kan okure. Se Ghana penifo kan okura ko kan ye Japan report ni wie ye no omo nyina betena se omo ka se da bi oman ni nyina ye dia
ase kudifa
ye nyina ye dia Uti mfutu na ye atwene Jonas Kachon uti mfutu bebe oti no like ayi ka twemu a wo kata we na wo bia just 5 minutes later the for more nana
ye me yakura ne se kwa mi ntwa no se
MPP enya party fu MPP party
na so me ni ye no e ho ne ye
ne wo ho se sei na enya papa ni nkofo nka no kre sa MPP we na enya MPP
ne so pesa o ka se se wo tike pesa driver na driver care sa
anya na ta ka una beje ama driver fofo we na so bia make sure say we na call sa MPP we particular one we all say call this particular MPP we obia ni MPP as a party any problem ne wo ho se sei no enya MPP no nie we all say call we nkofo bi na akon mo abom no ma mini so be hwe o man ni ye what does say no your back na me I have said it over and over. He's a very dishonest person. I'm telling you, obi on tia you can go and die. Nana is very dishonest. I've said it over and over. I will say it again. I'm going to say it. Tama JJ Grand and national JJ ya guy no be a slow JJ no. Nana do organize kume preko meboa. Nana do ni say yes you be do ni age no so be ya kokra yes you be organize bi again. Ya ko dey ya channel. Ghana for no Nana because of the age no omo fere no yes and when you the woman no we wholesale price na dem no you dey hear the retail and Ghana no you are the yes
na say one no criticize obi
ba
na yesu na na mo
je pese yes one no
and yesu ye te say one no say na
oyo na ya na go for say na ozo yes Tama Rollins here president no Nana was one of his fierce critics. Ya kume prepo NSA and then yansu ye bedu ye 40s we say ye mo yankwara mu ade na president ye nene nkasasa uni masama na do mo Tama Rollins no from then times almost start here yansu start here dia mo so certain kind of democracy ni wiase o na mo vim to do what you want to do na mo kasa boys na ba this ye hu for yeah wo vim chen mu when you young boys mo MPP for na mo te party headquarters mo gra na mo ye mehi come dem what's on what came for more 450 billion go be account with the party headquarters aketua 1000 no be di hu adin ma it's on our team for more for here we can okra nyankopon be hira wo me ja MPP for HD me na me te he me ni problem ti mon kan okra ma tnase me se party no MPP party na nye we MPP party ba MPP Ghana for be brave MPP asem President before can go be as MPP so me o dey make me dey mind so check but Ghana for no be brave MPP but also Ghana for no boom na omu two side MPP we this particular one
new patriotic
bad we a new Armed Robbers United Cronfon kwa that particular MPP we
na MPP dey here
we can afford to buy the ascend to make us MPP party papa
but driver now will treat VIP
no me dia man say no license kill The license here. By heart.
That's a driver careless. That's a one casa.
Obviously, Nippon backing vocalist. We ain't hitching me America.
You see, and people don't know person can. Just say, yo, but your mom over there.
Why nim nyansa wo memu ha obeka say MPP ye party papa.
But driver
say die na wo ho no. Enye o see too free ho. Enye
and the passengers na wo no and
na passengers no mutim ye do mo konya accident na.
Ti so omo nko a omo rengi car won na say car number kill license driver. You do soon some no.
But I don't know.
Ya full source here from. Who the far house here say make it this cross wo nya no man banyeje. Say ya ko fitemu a
o hata we ni go what's up ani pa. I was in the part of Obia who he said no ya back up. Back up vocalist or ya fucking too. Back up vocalist but I'm doing that resign no. Ya ka bibia chema muntie mu bu my picture na. Okay? You see, the reason why I will continue saying that Nanado is a very dishonest person. And I will say it.
But I like him more.
Who said you have to hate somebody to know that he's dishonest? You don't have to hate somebody to know that he's dishonest. Who said me I don't like Nanado? And upon some people will love us. But the fact of the matter is that, so Nana, every TV so, a camera and the COVID-19 situation and the Japan and come from the dead. I never seen none in Crawford on your monamano organize the idea because in any pay baby on no Korea, Babekan, on Kanokre.
What do you find say?
On Kanokre.
Says you'll be this scam as this diamond. One carpenter's Fosca, one amazing Fosca. Na so mo nya wo na wan kan kra na carpenter fo nne
carpenter no me na na di omo bae wa ko carpenter so nya adwuma na on ya
na
wo di ama na otumi ya pam ne na me na me ko carpenter ne bae
mo sai bata twene o
nipa me say oba be ka kiro en na ye be say en na ye be sure nanse ye say obi ko kan say den mahama ko kan bibi o se den ma omo bu afu che say omo na na de Nana don't come correct. Ghana for one, who come before and the situation of the no, I found me and family. Menanado, Nanado to me, never be and can't be said, 2016 or a campaign or A plus one of Maniska, or to me can be done. And to me come at me, come straight, one number called the discount. Now, mother so called the discount, one of them shows some back as well. Nanado to me, never be and can't be so braniska. Never. It may come at me, I may come me my dream. Won't you see a corner cool? And I don't come correct. On come correct. I will see you to me cut some less than yet. What I said. Now, your papa won't pay. And here, but Nanado so on come correct. And maybe not catch and said that you have lied. Maybe what you said you were coming. Why you lied? You didn't come.
That's all one.
Yeah, of course. On come correct.
Because una directly say muta pie.
Adia ni nkoye ya
wa uti mu ukura pan wa wu ni trophy yes tie na uti mu no na edo
say Kwame A plus ya market the bia na Kwame A plus na Kwame A plus no problem me na me here most special prosecutor na say adwuma no ntumi na mo here eno so hey for 2016 na un di MPPH un MPP ni who is MPP ni? Landa, you know the MPP.
I'm MPP.
Everybody where we know the MPP. We where we dey work. Tell me one person. You know we where we dey work. Tell me one person where know the MPP. Tell me one. They take your contract.
No.
They take your contract.
No.
They take anybody contract. No. If you go talk, they say plus you are doing a contract into the boyfriend. All the boys where they work. Everybody know vote for MPP.
Kwame, me so kwa do MPP o.
Mon kanu credit ya kan na mo ye consent. And no crana young cano, Nana don't mean casse, Sa PPA issues abe, onim ho, a Japan banner and discuss it. On what plan is so be reaying. It is a planting, so be reaying. MPP party no nkofo bia hijack no ma plan say omo be wia yen
24/7 the system is not working.
No more obi ogo the one.
Ono say no more the obi anim no.
Obi I saw you no more.
MPP party party pa MPP party party pa. The only problem is that wo ho say yeah
Sisubio
MPP party papa na ne wo ho say na wo so nkrofo bomboden obia ma ne bre no muntu ne wo ho free ho
na say we mu I say VIP is a collection of cars by more owners but a driver particularly car na say mo hwan so bo hwan the passengers na jai
as I say swami for so mutu sike menza
Mr. Swami asem de odi
also mutu
Swami asem de
we MPP ni o we MPP ni o but also so na mutu che menza bonsu eno ne de ye o man yi no de ato say Swami had the MPP te beto am omo ye Japan no pro na hu futuro what magazine na hu futuro.
I was less than 20 no me 30 years I stood up for Swami. Yes, I kwa there's a politics maybe. Yes, I kwa ma Swami o. E wo graphic mu. Makofa graphic na ba. Mo try e kwan ni ho. Ade ya e na Hayford ba Jessica, Hayford ba Jessica.
Obeso mo bribe.
Who ko bribe no me so mo fiesi ho. MP o te so wo ni fi ho. I don't want to talk there. Who can Japan sama? Who there to aso na kan wo there na. I don't want to come inside. No problem. Just talk of Ghana. I don't want to say
MPP party no in penny for papa bebre wom yeah me some more information on how MPP for na na catch them you penny for be pre wadie ma ekoso no mo mpe
they be am disappointed in you
what I say omo mpe na wo de wo te kwan ho na wa no yabe come here class and na dey be all complaining no intimate na me do wa resign ya the contract intina wa resign aban ne yen aban bia mo mamu ha omo ya akronfo se we da ebi nsi da and a problem awo ni say krono de aban bia bebe bia krono bebem but e was say leader no krono no ba pe no aso nipa no mu eno na kire say you are fight na yankopon bo wi ase ne ma ne ba kwa be say ne garden yankopon ne ma ba kwa be it is not just a heaven krono problem or and there is no sensible person over trying to say there can't be problem in Akufo-Addo's government.
Next, over more MPP the international check, but
me put the end na me can for issue no say we MPP ni no me come as issue no say aban we dan yan asorobofo no bebu man woni asorobofo bebu man kra Lucifer betumi apiem enti no say we hu say nyame Lucifer ko ye say okore na me apoi ene e pam no so betena Lucifer okwa nyame apple no so o Adam we apple no ene e pam Lucifer ba efi heaven ene e tu Adam so free garden no mebo Akufo yes Akufo dey no clear agent we hu ade ase ekoso no say Japan ade Akufo do ni is part of it he knows it he has the huge disappointment yet me for your trust and show mu na won yes ade no na nkofo ya wontumi nka hwe you are part of it I was say your wife kunu ni me ade aduro yeso o man na yo bia onim me si onim
okay no me sake makura ba ko say wa di obi moto sika
o man na yo bia de o tama Rollins no me ade o mu take over mu ye kuno mu ye 29 31 ye di 43 o enti yempo de ya chewu ye kasa keke sata Rollins no o mu ye sa no nya no mu ni internet o mu ni even your friends a mobile phone o yen to me nkasa yen go kasa keke ye kasa ye better Facebook just to talk and okay and go for problem that's what I was say who Rollins as a Rollins or a guy ama come plus me nko twitu me nko ye me kasa keke so come plus be kasa so who Rollins how feel no the Jimmy say Rollins obe Rollins or ye ku a obe ye head of state na grab na wabo rias
no nya agree
as who Rollins na e free fan no sis no me small boy so but no control mine yanje ye kasa youth na won normal ban kasa keke wo kasa enya kwakwafo na be ka che say ye di o wa wunu ya young person na na hu futuro no o bre no no be ka che wo kasa be
say ahemfo ne adefo enam from na nko atete akonko so
na wo yo hene wo mamu ha ejapa report by wa kan bi wunim ne ekọ as what sign so omo ye hypocrite depending for okrom ha no omo ye penny bonny o da say omo ye penny bonny eye Japan so wan yi ba yi obi animu eso o twa ma president abana akwachi na o ma penny wa ya ade pa na se me ko tema akwa bi be chere sekre ha bo na mahama si ye no o ya ade pa we si ha bo pa na me se onya to onya ne fa so wo so normal thing.
Yes.
But when I can't say, with the taxpayers' money, we see how much.
And no prior, they count on 30 years.
We be also. It's a man can say, why idea. Now we are henny. On a pound, walk room, we are penny, we are a leader. Now, my penny about winning send your man cost for me and yet.
24/7.
The system is not working.
24/7.
So we chance. What can the sign? Oh, you are good for the dear. I book what I had. Why free SHS? Free SHS na kufa okofo ni sika woni ewo baby e no de be free SHS. Enya ya sika na ye free SHS. Enya tax na yenya ewo taxpayers money. Kwa go school ni eventua. And so say 24 hours na free SHS so na free SHS so. Adan.
Nese you want to tell us that
we are free SHS intino. We are free SHS intino. Yenja o na dui anka ni na.
Basic thing that
you free SHS. Eti yenja o say free SHS me anka hwe. We anka ni na.
Utumuta obedu be won ubeko hospital to see hospital a need
that be also PSHS it yenja akufa do mu wiase aye anu ne nkrofo no mu wia ne aka ne nyina
eno prenya achievement
PSHS ya achievement the mama kwa ko school na ye dia ban secretary aka na me mentu tax ni
hospital enya achievement
me PSHS na ye the tax ni me tax kan me ba ko bi
enya achievement
na moti o memu ha mo mfa pressure nto nkrofo we so no mo nsakra o madwen no mo nyaa ejimie no oja enoma Ghana ye to me commission ayi co-port ne ye kwetwa co-port ne ye commission ayi hospital bed ne ye commission na obi ani age the bed na o man na ye atena bi do na okọ no media me kama adwen akire mo sa me kama adwen akire mo sa
achievement ne say control to meet ba ko no afre no we are going to make you great. No, yet in your tiny pan. You're telling pan now, you are free. Mr. I want for hidden talent. Is I want you.
I got some natural. What comes on prison now? That's a big funk of one year sound lie. Maybe so be as a opium become a dainty identified prison. That's on the country. That's a Obi of 450 billion as a public servant in 2.5 years. Only baby scan if you better account. Na say o man penny wo prima na say o to me bisa na hwe a o mobo. Na say my 7 boys be 30 something. Adenti a police for na be akwachi omo. Yakwachi omo ade omo te sport. Na bisa police for say mo kwa na omo say omo akwachi omo no wi. Na say mo kwa na omo te omo no wi ana. Omo say da bi na ba ko na wi che ne boto. Na mo hu na wi che ne boto mo for no nkwe. Omo say da bi omo nyina e so 20 ya chi ni pani nyina. But crime officer
no conspiracy.
Crime officer no my 7 crime officer no correct. Until now we say we dey forget ya some no. How can you just go and arrest people? Na me besides me I am me kwachina ho bio. Me bam kwache boys no. Me nshi wi tu omofo. Me nshi wi o. But omo me na fofo. Enti me kwachina ase. E na nye omom to onya no wi o. Enti no se me na me ba so me hu so obi anu wi. The mobile say boys at na say ye be ti omo mo ti omo search omo se na wi she ba ko botom mo de omo nyina ko bum o ma mo ni kamafo a obehu ana o da
na say the talent o the bibia ya ko resist no
mo ni kamafo a we ni so be ti wo no na o da prison ye de wo ko remand wi na wo ko ba ko for them 10 years ko for them 15 years because oni kamafo eso obi na omamu ha or within 2.5 years or 15 million Ghana 4 something million dollars 400 and something 45,000 euro ni nyina go on account me obia nka hwe but boys go jail asembe see that you ko fo bubefu yes ko fo bubefu sa no ma de bufu na eba
o ja see the story bi wa adoma chede so mu ko ba bia
yes o mu nyina o mu de waste your life
in politics
yes
no come politics
e wa pan your politics o papa your comfort into no hu MP ne ba na hwe obi ti say boy ya na say na go for cancer o small boy and there's no boni o small boy we a small boy
you
we a small boy
project mu akese
and there was a buying power. Yen, you know, brass sports, a my call election, and never have power. My just a young to not just a now marble bra. Also, what's the party headquarters? Come do.
Maybe I don't got so many.
What's the party headquarters? Come do.
For handkerchief for
12 years. For 8 years, what the party headquarters? What tries to put power? Obi abeyes minister said then you. It's who person man another form on. I'm the engineer. I'm
going to Omo to nsuo we. Omo 13. It's 15. Okoton one city. Maybe 2 cities. Now we to nsuo we ma ko 10 passa. Enipa 150 no. After no nya 10, onya 20 Ghana at all. We ton ba ko bi 2 cities. Na say nipa we since you follow and as a baby tono a policy ban the war ma wa wonya ya ban aduma mu ma sam ne ya ka no e ya mu ma sam
abi na wo kwa policy mo obi wo 450 that account of policy 400
wa wo tie ti no me no mo dey na mo bo
e so no almost na team for mo for na
se no ka de ebi mu di ani mu na masa e se me ba o na me dey na anya me dey ti nkasa four more. Because we have some of the youth.
45 billion a bid our account.
Youth
45 billion a bid our account.
We have some of the youth
who can
do more things.
One and cancel if you die a bow, you ask better. No 10 billion that out as a form. Sika would bush if you tell a Don Diego de Azambuja, a ball man. How many years? 2.5 years.
I know the years.
A 45 million Ghana. Do the 145 million Ghana. 2 years. Divided by
30 months.
No. 2 years.
So 2 years yet.
24
and 6 months and
okay, 2 years.
Divided by 30 months.
30 months.
81 months to be a sky when you are divided by 30 never day, mammy.
I know they divided by 30. I'm 1 month to be 1.5 million.
If you divide by 30,
divided by
24 days.
Divided by 30.
24 days.
Divided by 30 years.
So, okay, divided by 30. They
only 50,000.
500 million.
Every day,
500 million.
Every day, every 1 day, 24 hours, be only 50,000.
In Ghana City, you have $1, you know.
Every day, Bia. Ghana Papa na one account. Every day, Bia means that every day, be only 50,000. 50,000 every day. We are Jimmy Ford for more. Every day, Bia. What's the party headquarters on what's wrong? Every day, be only 50,000 a day.
Me na me papa nye politics and me di mate no. Say Tinubu, say asefo to me a. Die be na ka me vote na me vote ama mo no.
Ghana be account. Na so obi man free SHS. Obi man free SHS, yeah? Now we back to school free. Me man say dia, ohun jina kwan ya me hwe. Say dia me back to school free.
People from Kano. Wo dey hear people from Kano.
Me man school on. Opo pa me chow na me mom ko. Yes. Come you person don't come be here higher. I make you more. School fund friend me chance man no ma dey serew mom wo ha. But person don't come on. Wo dey out ho say. Na media to say dem go pass be baby some school fees. E dem go school. Wo free your man school free no. Your man free school no. Obi nya 50,000 every day, 500 million every day. Anopa odenyane a to enumere onya 500 million. When so the white being diablo. The GPSHS now where you nipa back home. A buying appointees away no. A move back once some the year can you. What just want me free SHS? Woman free SHS now what the 500 million DBR. I hear to the good boy, every man boom, na calculate say is it wet and the corner of Pokemon. Party headquarters.
Nese, uba so just answer me ba kuno musu kan bibia efie be nyankere yes sir.
Komodo. We can say A+ na abotre he MPP ni bia onima. Me do ya almost mom de bia ona say de go be ban me yeyew. MPP ni bia onima be ba me chen say na A+ me no me aye me ko hu we na se me no nkasa. Wa bodam
me kura de mba ye pra makendi.
Unu me be kasa. Me nya 50,000 de bia. Me nya 500 million. Me nya kurasi ni o. Say wo ye kurasi ni na say nkofo ba say ye begu man no so be wia. no mu be wi o man no mu wi o ba ka kyerem se me nya abotre hey wa bodam
Ghana city dey no afena be calculate euro no
na da che wo ma ka kyerem ase me o mo papa am
take dollar no ma dollar no so dey
yeah we Ghana city dey pen ya calculate you
dollar no so afena ma yi ka ma fa me calculator the dollar there masa 5.6 Korean
na wuni problem yeah wuni issue no Donald Trump wuni say Donald Trump yeah Donald Trump America unemployment will form and no be pre ko form America a friend say omo economy no e very good but America for to abeti
improve omo tie covid no was am akura bia $1,000 a month
yeah 20 mo steady no man kweti obi person fixing ho in such a way say in the next 100 years come na nada what the whole team for
na wonu wan konti omo tu tia ba ko omo so otukwa bia no hotel a no sa ada no tua no ho ka wo no
obi aya na dwen say no we the minor shene say no obey in such a way say in the next 100 years no come the only nebusuani da what the other for mo one mo ba man me the obi no bet na from dem aka say obi ni ho so me very straight obi ni ho that is a party ya na go for ka na say you dey bia oka na no why na me nkasa we be party o mo mba Facebook no o mo pay for no bia na maka say obi ni obet na so obesa ko
na dollars
every day we go dey contract 20 million no be tram obesa na
every day be $5,000 according to the projection every day bia we save $5,000 every day
we tram obesa no me be kasa gaza me be kurasi ni me man kan say be hwe po na efe pa was a chance o wini ba ona me metina yo ti me pe po ahwa ka me ma hawo ka me ko say Charles Beach yeah akronfo